Hey everyone, and welcome to yet another video from Essential Excel. Today's quick video is just going through a quick tip that we thought was good to share with you. And again, we keep doing these videos to give you little tips and tricks that you can do in Excel today, which going to be very beneficial for you, but it's also going to serve as really useful in the future as we start bringing in more advanced formulas in which like today's example, we'll want to pull such formulas into as well to help make those formulas dynamic. So what we're going to look at today is two really quick formulas and functions that are available in Excel, and they are today and now. Why would you use these? They both are functions that allow you to get the date, or they're dynamic, so they're as of today. So you have the two differences. You've got today, what gives you just today's date, and the now function that gives you today's date plus the time at which or the current time, pretty much in hours, minutes, and seconds. So in order to use these, all you need to do is go into your desired cell and you type in equals. And for the today, we'll start with is you type in today. And as you can see from our prompt that's popped up, the today function returns the current date formatted as a date, and exactly what we want. So all we need to do is we don't actually need to do, or we don't need to enter any inputs into this function. All we do is type today, open brackets, followed by straight away the close bracket. So that's all you need to do. Upon entering, hitting enter, as you can see, you've got the date there present, and as we've formatted on the screen in column B, you'll see that there is a time placed in there, and it's obviously shown as 0. So it's no time is recorded for the date. So all it does is give you the today's date, and the reason we include that time is just to help demonstrate as we look at the now function as well. So with the now function, all we need to do, very simple like the today, is we type in now, and then and again, here you go, here's our prompt, returns the current date and time formatted as date and time. So all we need to do here is type on now, open bracket, straight away close bracket, hit enter, and okay, now you can see the two differences. So whereas the today function just gives us the date, and if you haven't seen our previous video where we're looking at dates, make sure you check that out, because this is where we previously did touch on the subject as well. So the today function returns the integer, or the whole number value for today. So obviously there's no decimal places, and therefore that means there's no time recorded with that function. What the now function does is it does include those decimal places, and as we know, those decimal places relate to the current, or a time, and in this instance it relates to the current time. So you can see when we put the now formula in, it's now pulled us back the date, today's date, and the time at which that formula was entered. If we were to, as we can see, it's now saying 7:48 and 22 seconds. If you are to double click or just go into the formula and then hit enter again, you can see that the time has now changed. So it's actually now, well, because obviously what it does is each time it's entered, it then pulls out the current formula or current time and date. And if we go into again, you can see rather than 49 and 31 seconds, it's now gone to 49 and 46 seconds. And obviously with today's date, if you do that, nothing's going to happen. It's only going to change once today has passed and you get onto tomorrow. And as you can see, the now formula in row 3, it updates anytime any update is made on the screen. So that's just one to be aware of, the now formula. If you use it, it is going to keep updating, but it's particularly useful if you're using a dynamic formula in which you want to use that as an input. And that is exactly the reason we'll be using it in the future. So we hope you found that useful. If you didn't know those functions already, or if you did know them and maybe it's given you a bit more insight, then brilliant. That's exactly what we wanted to achieve. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel and give this video a big like. It'll be very, very appreciated by us. We've got our Facebook group and page, so head over and check that out if you haven't already. Links for that are in the description. And if not, we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.